Hi guys, welcome to my first video. Today I'm going to teach you how to make one of my favorite biscuits, rock cakes. These are also known as rock buns and they have a rough surface just like a rock. To make this, start by mixing 225 grams of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of mixed spice. Now, add 100 grams of softened butter and lightly rub them with your fingertips. Now, add 100 grams of sugar and 100 grams of dates. You can use raisins or any other fruit of your choice. After mixing them together, add 1 beaten egg along with 1 tablespoon of golden syrup. If you don't have golden syrup, you can use vanilla instead. Mix all together, and if the mixture is still dry, then add a little bit of milk until the dough holds together. Now, butter a baking tray and divide the mixture into equal mounds and space them evenly. Preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit or 175 Celsius for 10 minutes and bake these in the oven for 15 minutes or until golden brown and well risen. The rock cakes should be firm to touch and soft in the inside. These taste amazing and I absolutely love them so much. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you soon. Bye!